Hi guys, so this morning I'm going to take you on a little chicken farm. I like doing this so much because it reminds me of back home in Jamaica. Yeah, so we are going to show you how we do this in Florida. Hope you like it. Okay, so now we are going to check if they need water or feed. We already gave them some this morning, so
So the first thing we do is make sure they have the water is clean. Make
yeah.
sure the water is clean and they have enough water because that's very important here. And Florida is so hot and humid here. So we got the water. Make sure the water is all clean. And
Let me see them. Let me show them the chicken.
it's just okay.
Yeah, look at that, guys. They're so big. Look at that rooster right there.
They're about like 4, I would say 5 months, maybe 4.5, 5 months old.
Yeah,
And you can
that's so
see
nice.
you can see how big they get already.
Yeah.
Get them when they were like maybe a week old.
Okay.
So now I think they have enough food for the day. I don't need to put any more food for them right now. So we check the water, make sure the water is good. And over
Let
here
me see those.
we check this water. They have good water and clean water, and
Yeah,
also they
that's
have
good
enough food
food.
here.
Let me see the babies.
Yeah, as you can see, the chicken here, here's they are. Very nice rooster. Both of the roosters are very good looking guys. So the mother of those two little ones died, and there was about 3 of them. The mother had 3, and those 2 are left. The mother and then one of the baby died. So I think it was because of the heat. Maybe it was
Yeah,
one time it
maybe.
was so hot here.
Yeah.
I think because of the heat, they end up dying. That's why we have to make sure the water is very important for them to have.
Yeah.
Um,
And that's a
we-
nice looking coop,
I come here.
you know?
I come here like once a day.
Yeah.
Make sure they have water, they are comfortable. You know, because they are always happy to see me too. Anytime I'm coming from way over there, they get so excited. You can tell the vibe. So
Yeah.
it's a very good vibe. Sometimes I come here in the evening, spend some time with them,
So you talk to them? You talk with them?
talk to them. Sometimes just kind of trying to play with them a little bit, you know. So that's what I do on a daily basis.
Yeah.
And come in here, make sure they are comfortable, they have food, water, and this coop also is we built this coop
Yeah.
from scratch.
Yeah, it's nice.
So it was a long project, but with the help of friends and we get this thing done. So as you can see, it's pretty spacious. It's very spacious for
Yeah.
the chicken. We basically do a lot of work.
So do you plan to get some more chickens?
Not at the moment. Not at the moment. We see how those how we can manage this, and
Hopefully you'll get some eggs soon.
And have to mention also, these 2 right here, they're supposed to have blue eggs.
Okay.
They have to blue eggs. So they're supposed
Open
to
it,
have
let me
blue-
show them again.
They're supposed to have blue eggs. Take a look at them. Yeah, those
Okay.
supposed to have blue eggs. I'm guessing in about another month I should be getting
Eggs?
some eggs from those. So which I'm looking forward to. So
Yeah.
anyway, this is the routine for me on a daily basis. Come check on them, make sure they're okay. Check out the cage, make sure the cage is secure.
Yeah, so everything looks good. So okay then, like this video, share, subscribe, click on the post notification bell so that when I post more videos you will be notified. Okay, bye.